welcome. So I've moved to New York City, and today I'm gonna give you guys a New York City apartment tour. I'm here in my apartment in Williamsburg in Brooklyn. What do you guys think? Look at all this space. To explain to you guys a little bit, this is technically a tiny bit of apartment space that I have because I'm renting out just a room here, not the entire apartment. I'm sharing this place with like 3 other roommates, and there will be more moving in. So it is a little crowded, but it's still a good time and it's fun, and I got this place for a really good deal. So without further ado, let's tour you guys around my house. But before, let's roll our badass new intro of New York City. Rolling now. Okay, now that we're back. Also, behind the camera right now, we have good old Mr. King of the Vlogs, Jacob Carlson.
What do you keep calling it? I don't mind it, I guess.
This is your title now, you're King of the Vlogs. Thanks for helping me shoot this apartment tour today.
No problem.
All right, get back on camera, dude. All right, so first, as we come in through the door, we have our first most important room where I spend a lot of my time in the day. The restroom, the bathroom, the deux toilettes, as some would say. So we got this cool little shower. This is a one little shower area, and a mirror that's missing 2 light bulbs. Lots of various bathroom paraphernalia, an opening up mirror thing. Yeah, right here, it just opens to the center. We got some, I haven't really opened this up yet. I should have clarified, I've been living here for a week, so I'm not like fully, an expert on this house. And then we have my favorite seat in the house, wooden toilet. Cool? Cool, let's go. So, you walk right out of the bathroom, you have this kind of like, you thought I was gonna keep going that way. We have this like semi-walk-in closet area. It's good for storage space. Once again, I have nothing to store here because I came to New York with a backpack, so. But, over here, we have the living room. This is where the magic happens. You can sit here, watch TV on our beautiful 27. And then we got our table. There's always a bottle of alcohol here. Probably my favorite part of the apartment is we have our view of downtown Brooklyn. So right here in the kind of like waterfront of Williamsburg, or right on the water. Later on in the video, I'm gonna show you guys the view from the downstairs of my building. It is so freaking cool. You can see all of the Manhattan skyline. But before that, let's go to the kitchen. What do you guys think? You can have a meal here with 27 people. But yeah, this is kind of our kitchen area. You can come and eat and enjoy your times here. This is a busy kitchen. There's people living in this house, so there's always food and stuff being made. I didn't bother to clean anything up because I don't know whose is whose and I don't want to touch stuff. But yeah, this is a beautiful kitchen. We don't have lots of cups and plates and stuff yet because I haven't really been on top of that, but we do have lots of spices, which is important for cooking food. And right here, we got our stovetop. Want to make a little macaroni al dente. Pretty much, if you're wondering if there's like any plates or anything in any, the drawers are completely empty. There's nothing in any of these drawers. There's definitely not drugs or human bodies in there. I'm gonna cut myself off because YouTube's gonna demonetize this video. And then we got a refrigerator. So, most of this food is not mine because I eat out a lot because I'm always filming YouTube videos, but the one thing left in here that I actually purchased is a single avocado. So, if you guys want to use my Amazon link down in the description below to buy some avocados, you can, and you'll help out the channel. So that's the refrigerator section of the apartment, and then we got the freezer section of the apartment. Check this out. Voila. Most important thing in this freezer. You already know what it is, Jacob, right?
I know what it is.
If somehow anybody from this company is watching my videos, sponsor me, I literally will do anything. But that's pretty much the kitchen. It's not a huge kitchen. We got some appliances like a microwave and a toaster, and we got like our sink and a blender and a coffee machine and all this stuff. I should mention that the owner of this apartment is actually not currently living here right now. He's out abroad, and so when he comes in, I'm assuming that a lot of this stuff is like the stuff that he owns, so we're just using it, the people who are renting in the apartment. So yeah, that's the situation there. But we got sinks, we got everything you basically need to live in New York City. Look at this kitchen. It's my tiny kitchen. Come on, follow me. Down here, It's the greatest section. My room. Oh, come on in, don't be shy. Close the door.
Wait, why?
What, you guys never wanted to be in an apartment with me alone? Guys, this is it. This is what I'm paying for. So yeah, basically this is what I'm paying for. This is my deliciously wonderful room. This is my deliciously wonderful bed. And to clarify once again, the owner of the apartment, this is actually his room. This is where he sleeps. And so the way I got it for such a cheap price is because instead of renovating my own room, they're just letting me stay in this room, which is a room that he has all his stuff already in, and I'm just basically paying to store my stuff in here as well, because I came with such a little amount of stuff. Literally, almost everything that I came with to New York fits into this one duffel bag, and then maybe like another backpack and a half. But I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of this room because it is kind of the quintessential, I guess, New York apartment room. So if you're coming to New York on a really big budget and you wanna rent something, this is probably a space that you'd be able to get. This is, I think, a little bit better of a price and a situation than most people are able to get, just because I was able to pull some strings. But if you are coming to New York and you're gonna rent an apartment in Manhattan or Brooklyn and you're looking for something really small, you might just be getting something like this, like a tiny little room for yourself. So let me show you guys a little bit of what it's like. First thing, when you enter the door, you got your coat hanger area. So I've just been hanging my coats and stuff here, some hats, towels, whatever I need to hang here. My roommate that's staying with me here was nice enough to actually give me this, which is like a little impromptu like hanging closet thing, so you could just throw in clothes and stuff. And since I'm always doing laundry and stuff, I don't even bother folding stuff. I just toss it in, toss it out, toss it in, toss it out. And I have some closet space here, but once again, I am sharing this closet with the person who lives here, and so there's like blankets and pillows and other shirts and stuff that he has. The nice thing is, if you come down here, we even have a little space for shoes. So I got my one pair of shoe, two pair of shoe, and then I'm storing some shoes at Jacob's house as well, because thanks Jacob. We got the bed. I'll be honest, the bed is not the most comfortable bed I've ever been on. It's a very springy mattress, and I'm not here to complain about it whatsoever. You know, it's a temporary solution. I'm not gonna be staying here forever, but what I did do, because the mattress was having like a little concave here, which was really hurting my back for the last few days, I just stuffed a blanket under this mattress. And so, if you can see, it's kind of giving me a little bit of elevation when I sleep, and so my back isn't hurting as much, and I slept like a little baby last night, which is really good. So yeah, I've just bought like blankets and sheets and stuff from like Walgreens and CVS, which were really cheap. As well, we have a little bit of my gear corner here. So we got my computer, my hard drives and all that stuff, and then if you look over there, I apologize for the mess, but not a lot of storage space in this apartment. So we got battery packs, drone, SD cards, chargers, a Nintendo Switch. It's a mess here. I can't even bother with this corner because I have nowhere to put any of this stuff, so it's just staying here for now. And yeah, that would technically be my tiny New York room. So yeah, last but not least would be, the view. It's not super special, but for one, it's a window, which is already great because I like waking up with natural light.
It's way better than I've got. I have no windows in my apartment.
Jacob actually had to build his own window in his New York apartment, so I'm actually gonna link to that video in a card right now. And yeah, but it's nothing special when it comes to like the view, but I do not take it for granted because I know not a lot of apartments have windows, and I actually have some sort of a view, which is cool. But yeah, I think that basically covers the entire apartment. Not sure if there's anything else really to show.
Let's go downstairs.
Let's go downstairs. This is the lobby of the building. I should mention, this is a huge amenity right here. It's amazing. Jacob's pointing out right now that this is an amenity. So I used to live in Miami in a building that also had a vending machine, but the prices were all spiked up. Everything in here is just $1. Like even the ramen's is less than $1. It's like 90 cents. So they're not even like price gouging us for this stuff, which is amazing.
Which are these? $1. That is crazy to get. Is it a can or a bottle?
I think it's a can.
Oh, then it's
or maybe
still
it's a bottle.
whatever. Either way, great prices. Yeah, they are good. It's like going to a bodega downstairs will cost you just around $1 to get any of this stuff anyways. Or more. So having it here in the building without having to go anywhere is awesome. But so right now we're just exiting the building. We're gonna head on out and I wanna show you guys something amazing.
No problem.
Literally, the fence right next to my building, this little gate right here takes you into an area where you can board the, do you know what ferry it's called? No, because it goes everywhere. Like this one will go to most of the ferry destinations on the East River. So I don't know that it has a name. It's a ferry that'll basically take you to Manhattan from Brooklyn. And it costs $2.75, so the same as a subway fare. Besides all that, if the traveling cloud's looking to get a little romantic, maybe I go on a date or something. The skyline view here, you'll see in one moment, is amazing. Okay. Are we rolling? This is how I get pumped to shoot in public. All right.
There's no one around.
Follow me here. So literally, as I mentioned, the building where I reside, the Williamsburg Bridge, and then literally at the bottom of the building, the literally South Williamsburg Ferry. As part of the New York aesthetic, there's a giant mechanical elevator running right behind us, so it's a little loud, but that's fine. Yeah, like right behind me, this kind of signifies a view. You got the whole skyline pretty much of Manhattan behind us. And we have right there the Empire State Building, and then right there the World Trade Center. This is a pretty killer view for I think what I'm paying for, and the fact that the access is literally downstairs in my building. I can't ask for more than that, but I think let's walk and talk. But yeah, so basically what we're doing today is we're gonna be running around filming some more videos, both on my channel and on Jacob's channel. So for helping us film this video, please go send some love to Jacob Carlson down in the description below. Point the camera to yourself. Let him know who you are. Say you love him.
Hey, I love you guys, and you should check me out. I think so. Right?
I think so.
Yeah, you should.
And when you're done checking out Jacob, come back to here, subscribe to the channel. If you want to support us, you can buy some merchandise just like this sexy hoodie. It's down in the description below or on screen right now. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe or follow the page for more New York City content. And I'll see you then. I love you long time. Goodbye. Clap. Stop him out, Jacob.
I got a tripod in my hand.
Go.